Welcome to Favor Flow Restorative, where harmony is unleashed, mind, body, and soul. We are releasing emotional manipulation. The purpose of this visualization meditation is to reclaim your emotional sovereignty by identifying, releasing, and transforming energies tied to manipulation, guilt, or control. Come with us as we return towards inner balance and truth. Take a deep, cleansing breath in through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. And with each inhale, feel your body expand with light. And with each exhale, release tension, fear, and anything that does not belong to you. Feel free to affirm silently or aloud, I am reclaiming my peace. I am returning to my power. I am reclaiming my peace. I am returning to my power. I am reclaiming my peace. I am returning to my power. And feel as your body begins to soften. Feel the earth beneath you. It's steady. It's patient and unshaken. In this moment, allow yourself to be supported. Now bring to mind a situation or relationship where you may have felt emotionally manipulated. Times when your boundaries were ignored or your truth was dimmed to please others. Allow yourself to observe it without judgment. You are not reliving it. You are simply witnessing it as energy that has served its lesson. See this energy as a cord or thread. Maybe it's gray or heavy in color as it extends from your heart or your solar plexus. Breathe in compassion for yourself and breathe out any guilt or shame. And as you continue to breathe, Visualize a gentle flame of golden light as it forms within your heart center. This light represents your truth, your divine essence, and your unwavering knowing. And on each inhale, the light grows stronger, and on each exhale, you see that it begins to dissolve the cords of manipulation, control, and confusion. You might see these cords melt, unravel, or simply fade into the light. Now whisper softly, I release all energy that is not mine. I return to my authentic self. I am free to feel, to think, and to choose for myself. I release all energy that is not mine. I return to my authentic self. I am free to feel, to think, and to choose for myself. I release all energy that is not mine. I return to my authentic self. I am free to feel, to think, and to choose for myself. Now envision yourself surrounded by soft rose and violet lights. These healing frequencies nurture your heart and your crown. Feel as the rose light soothes your emotions, gently teaching your heart to trust itself again. See as the violet light connects you to divine wisdom, as it restores clarity and strengthens your discernment. Allow these lights to swirl together as they create a radiant cocoon of safety and love just for you. Feel as your energy centers begin to rebalance themselves. Your root, your sacral, your solar plexus, your heart, your throat, your third eye, and your crown. They are now all aligned and open to truth and peace. Affirm yourself. I honor my emotions. as sacred messengers. My heart is my compass, and my peace is my protection. I honor my emotions as sacred messengers. My heart is my compass. My peace is my protection. I honor my emotions as sacred messengers. My heart is my compass. My peace is my protection. And as you embody these affirmations, begin to bring your awareness back into your physical body, wiggling your fingers and toes and feeling as your breath deepens. Now imagine planting new roots of empowerment beneath you, firm, grounded, and nourished by love. Allow yourself to take one final deep breath and release it with a sigh, letting go of the old and welcoming your freedom. As you whisper with gratitude, I am whole. I am safe. And I am free. And so it is. Walk in your freedom, beautiful soul. Peace.